Good morning guys, and welcome back to another video. As you can see, we are out in the wilderness. We are currently in the Scottish Highlands. It's a year to date that we last came here, exactly a year for Claire's birthday last year. We're here again for her birthday this year. We're currently pitched up at Firkin Point, but we're doing it different this year as we've got a tent box. Whoop, whoop. It's great though, isn't it?
It is good.
It is so good.
Well made as well. Like we came here last night, and well, quite late, didn't we? It was like 10 o'clock, I think, and that was probably like 5.
It was later than that, to be fair.
Well, about 4 degrees, and then it got colder in the night. But we didn't realise how warm they were actually going to be, did we?
Yeah, so warm.
Like,
I was in
really
a t-shirt.
Yeah, really
and
warm.
just these light trackies.
But it was fun actually sleeping last night.
But yeah, we thought, F it, we're going to get a tent box instead of getting Airbnb and being sort of, you know, forced to go to a certain hotel or Airbnb or whatever and cutting like day trips short. We can just pitch wherever we want. Yeah, so we're currently at Firkin Point. There's the beautiful mountains. Yeah, absolutely stunning. It's currently, what is the time? 8 o'clock in the morning. So we just made a coffee and we're going to get on the road. We're doing the NC500 actually. So we need to sort of get to Inverness sharpish and get that started. But we are going to go through Glencoe and Fort William just because it's beautiful, and why not? As you got to go that way anyway. So yeah. Oh, and also we've got a drone as well. So, you know, you're going to get some great sort of aerial footage of the lochs, mountains, all that sort of good stuff. So stay tuned, and yeah, we'll catch you on the road. So we just got to the bridge of Orkney. Claire's actually in the car still, just sorting her face out. But yeah, just pitched up over there quickly. We've already driven down there, saw a lovely little stag. But have a look at this, guys. This is absolutely unreal. Stunning. I'm going to stick the drone up in a sec. We get some good footage, hopefully. Just sort of show you guys what we can see. If I feel brave enough, I might even try and get the drone through the bridge, but obviously if you don't see any drone footage, we've lost the drone, so wish me luck. Well, we did try and get some footage for you, but unfortunately
The drone was on low
the drone
battery.
Yeah, they don't last. That's the only thing with the drones, like, because obviously they got to be under a certain weight for not having any licenses and things like that. Obviously you have to register yourself, but I mean like an actual license. The batteries don't last that long. You probably get like a solid 20 minutes flying max, and by the time you mess about and try and get the right shots and all that sort of stuff, sort of your 20 minutes is gone, and then they take a good hour to charge. And obviously that's from a mains, like a fast charge. We're working with ports and power banks and stuff like that, so yeah, bit of a nightmare. But we will get some more. We've been here before, so we're not like overly annoyed about it. But yeah, we've still got 2 hours 20 to get to Inverness to start our actual trip, what we're here for. But we keep just getting
distracted,
seduced by this beauty. So yeah, we're going to crack on now, and yeah, we'll see you in a bit. Right, so we've officially started the NC500 route now. Just gone through Inverness, over the bridge, and we're now on the A9, which is the start of the NC500. We're doing it anti-clockwise, so we're doing East Coast first.
Yeah.
So yeah, this is where we're currently at the minute. And then I believe we go on to the A99, is it?
Yeah.
Which is more of like, yeah, more of a country
yeah,
sort of road.
It's like a smaller, I think it goes onto like a single track road.
Yeah.
So this is dual, and then it'll go onto a single track road.
With like all the passing points and things like that.
Yeah. But I think this side of it is going to be more like beaches.
Yeah, it's all,
that right?
yeah,
Like
beaches, castles.
And then we get round to the other side, which is even more castles.
Yeah, but I think because a lot of people say do it anti-clockwise because it sort of gets better and better and better.
Yeah,
if you go like the actual official way, you get all the stunning, I mean it's all beautiful anyway, but all the amazing views at the start, and then it slowly sort of just goes to beaches. So yeah. So we're doing it anti anyway.
We'll let you know how that goes.
But yeah, we'll see. That's if we even make it there. No, I'm joking, we'll get it there.
We'll make it.
But yeah, we'll catch you in a bit. So, look at that.
Yeah, look at that view.
Was it Dornoch Bridge, isn't it?
Yeah.
Unbelievable.
Firth or something?
Yeah, we're literally just pitched up on the side of the road at the minute.
That's stunning.
But that is absolutely gorgeous. So we've just made our second pitch up stop and it is proper nice. We found it on Park for Night, yeah.
Which is a very good app if you're coming and doing this sort of thing. Park for Night is a really good app to use if you want to find parking
like
spaces
loads of like
to stop at.
Like campsites, motorhome sites, literally like obviously Scotland they've got different rules to home. You can literally pitch up anywhere and camp, which is great as long as you keep it tidy, obviously, which you're going to do. But take a look at this, look, we're literally on the cliff with an old ruined castle. There's one more guy here, but I'll show you better in the morning when it's a bit lighter. But look at this. What a view. Babe, come and have a look at this down here. She hasn't actually been down one, nor have I. That's the first time I've seen it.
God. Wow. Oh god, I didn't realise. God, we're quite high, aren't they?
Proper.
That is insane. What a place to stay.
But they did say like park, so your tent is
sideways. Well, no.
Yeah.
Straight on.
Straight on, yeah. Otherwise you're just gonna get battered by the wind.
That's gonna be so nice when we wake up in the morning.
Oh, I know.
Our tent has like windows like at each end, so you can undo them and
we got
out.
starlights, haven't we?
Yeah, so we can actually have a look in the morning at the sea.
What a place.
Exciting.
Right, we're gonna get this undone. I might stick the drone up quickly, just have a little birch.
Yeah.
But yeah, we'll catch you in a bit.
Light.
Here we are. And just like that,
Done.
it's done. Literally 5 minutes. Easy peasy.
It's easier not in the rain. It was
Oh
awful
yeah,
last
and it's
night.
also
Oh my
easier
gosh.
when it's not literal pitch black. Because
Last
if you've
night-
ever been to the Highlands before, when it's dark, it's bloody dark.
Yeah, it is. And we're literally by the sea, so it'd be even darker, I reckon.
Yeah, 100%.
So that was easy peasy.
But yeah, that's all sorted. We're gonna cook some food, aren't we? And chill out. I'm not gonna bother putting the drone up because purely it's darker than it looks. Tomorrow we'll have a good look around there, get the drone up.
Yeah.
But yeah, we'll catch you in a bit. Just making a quick coffee before dinner, aren't we?
Yes.
Got our lights set up. But yeah, what have we got tonight? Pasta.
Pasta, sausage and sauce.
Yes. Fresh pasta at that.
Yeah.
Can't wait. Look at that sunset, guys. This is crazy. Beautiful. See a few little fishing boats out there. Is that done? Right, I'm gonna crack on with this.
To stick my finger in it.
Yeah, go on.
No.
And there we go, guys. Pretty much done. Claire's just in the tent sorting out the bedding, and I'm just finishing off this. So yeah, that's dinner sorted for tonight, and I'll let you know. Well, we'll check in a bit. I'll let you know how it is. But at the minute, I sound like I'm burning it, so I better go. Well, must say, it's very, very good.
Delicious.
And straight out in the pan, saves washing up. Well, saves you washing up. I'm joking. I'm joking.
It's not.
We're gonna absolutely smash this, and then get up into the tent and play some games and maybe watch some telly.
Yeah.
Got our iPad, so might catch up with a bit of a I'm a celeb or whatever.
Probably missed it.
And yeah, we'll catch you guys in the morning.